TaurusDB Enterprise Edition is an enterprise-grade cloud-native database, fully compatible with MySQL. It decouples compute from storage and uses Huawei-developed data function virtualization (DFV), which enables it to scale up to 128 terabytes per instance. A failover can be completed within seconds. It provides the superior performance and high availability of a commercial database at the price of an open-source database. There are pay-per-use, yearly or monthly, and serverless billing modes to choose from, and various specifications available. This video shows how to buy a TaurusDB instance. The procedure is as follows. Step 1. Buy a TaurusDB instance. Step 2. Log in to the TaurusDB instance. Step 3. Check the login results. Log into the Huawei Cloud Console and choose Databases is more than TaurusDB. On the Instances page, click Buy DB Instance. On the displayed Custom Config page, select a billing mode. Yearly or monthly is a prepaid billing mode. You are billed based on the subscription period. The longer the subscription, the bigger the discount. Pay-per-use is a postpaid billing mode. You pay as you go and pay only for what you actually use. The DB instance usage is calculated by the second but billed every hour. You don't need to prepare resources in advance, and you don't have to worry about ending up with idle or insufficient resources. Serverless is a billing mode where instance capacities automatically change based on application requirements. You can start using the DB instance first and then pay as you go. The following uses a pay-per-use instance as an example. Set DB engine version. Only TaurusDB v2.0 is supported. Set creation method to create new. Set DB instance type to cluster or single. A cluster instance can contain one primary node and 1 to 15 read replicas. The primary node processes read and write requests, but read replicas process only read requests. If the primary node becomes unavailable, TaurusDB automatically fails over to a read replica. A single node instance contains only one primary node and there are no read replicas. Set DB instance type, AZ type, and AZ as required. Set storage type to DL6 or DL5. DL6 is the original shared storage. DL6-based instances achieve 0 RPO with a 3AZ deployment and deliver better performance and higher peak throughput. They are suitable for core application systems that are sensitive to performance and have demanding requirements on storage I/O during peak hours, such as those in finance, e-commerce, government, and gaming. DL5 is a new type of storage. DL5-based instances maintain the same high availability, 0 RPO in the 3AZ deployment as DL6-based instances. Although the peak performance of DL5-based instances may be a bit less than what you get with DL6-based instances, the cost per unit of capacity is a lot less. DL5-based instances are suitable for CPU-intensive sub-core business systems, or application modules that need to minimize costs. Set instance specifications and nodes. By default, each instance can contain one primary node and multiple read replicas. You can create up to 9 read replicas at a time. For a pay-per-use instance, its storage will be scaled up dynamically based on the amount of data that needs to be stored, and is billed hourly on a pay-per-use basis. TaurusDB provides free backup space equal to the amount of your used storage. After the free backup space is used up, you will be billed for the additional space on a pay-per-use basis. You can enable TDE when creating a DB instance. Once enabled, TDE cannot be disabled. Cross-region backup is unavailable for DB instances with TDE enabled. TaurusDB automatically allocates a VPC, subnet, and security group. You can also create a VPC, subnet, and security group. After a TaurusDB instance is created, the VPC cannot be changed. Set DB instance name and administrator password. Select an enterprise project and a parameter template. A parameter template contains engine configuration values that can be applied to one or more DB instances. Set case sensitivity for table names. The default value is case insensitive. This option cannot be changed later. The tag parameter is optional. Adding tags to DB instances helps you better manage them. TaurusDB allows you to create DB instances in batches. You can create up to 10 DB instances at a time. After configuring the parameters, click Next. Review the instance configuration. If it looks correct, click Submit. On the Instances page, you can view the purchased TaurusDB instance. The permissions required for connecting to DB instances through DAS has been enabled for you by default. Using DAS to connect to your DB instance is recommended. It is a more secure, more convenient option. On the Instances page, locate the DB instance and click Log in the Operation column. Enter the database username and password and click Test Connection. After the connection test is successful, click Login. This is the end of this video. Thank you for watching.